Yeah, for most of our yard work, we really don't need a full-size chainsaw, and so this IMOUMLIVE small, super lightweight 6-inch chainsaw, which I got from the seller to show you, can be an absolute perfect solution. Comes also with this protection, comes also with this flexible guard here. So I brought the camera a little bit closer so I can show you everything in detail, because everything is looking really good. I mean, I've been already using it now for a couple of things, and it has been working really good. And it comes as a full set, already fully assembled. You can see what we get here in the accessories. We get, for example, this battery, which is compatible with the Makita standard, which is a huge plus, but we still get also the charger. Of course, we get also the instructions, and we get some accessories, for example, the oil brush and the screwdriver for tightening the chain from the front. So for that, we just have to untighten this protection here a little bit. We don't have to fully remove it, even though we can fully remove it easily. For example, if you have some full blockage here after cutting a lot of stuff, which has never happened, but just in case, you can see how this looks here inside. So we have full access. We could even replace the chain at a later point if needed, and so usually this stays nicely in place here even after removing the protection. Now putting it back here, securing it with the nut lightly, and now I can use the screwdriver here from the front to untighten this. You can see here now it's pretty loose, and now with a clockwise rotation going to tighten it again. Just make sure that you're not over tightening it. And so finally we can secure the nut here, and we can see it has a really nice solid build. We have some extra soft grip here, and if you want to use it, we have to add the battery here. The battery includes even a charge indicator, and so to run it we have to press the safety release button and the trigger here at the same time. So I'm doing that here for you. Also from the other side. And as you have seen, this safety lock stays in place as long as we are holding the trigger. That's nice convenience here. I would say for the size it has quite some amazing punch and decent speed, so it never got stuck no matter what I've been cutting. Despite the pretty lightweight, you can use it for a longer time. I also love this extra protection here. So overall a really solid construction, and there's a huge plus again with the Makita compatibility, because we can use it also for some other Makita compatible devices. For example, this chainsaw extension pole here, that's not even from the same brand, even though I think they are also manufacturing such things. But this is just to show you can see I'm using this IMOUMLIVE chainsaw here. Can see I just push it here inside. Can even add the original battery which I got in this set, and now I can use the chainsaw from here. Easy to add, easy to remove. Yeah, definitely nothing to complain. IMOUMLIVE looks like a really solid choice, especially for beginners or lightweight work, but still capable to cut quite some thick branches or trunks. So what's missing here, of course, we don't have any auto oiler here, but I've never been a really big fan of these auto oilers. We have to be careful that it's not leaking, and usually these auto oiling functions in this price class have never been really satisfied me. So I'm good with manual oiling, absolutely no problem. And also on the other side, we have to know that this is a copper motor, it's not brushless, but still should last for quite some time. If you don't have to cut branches every day, this usually should be sufficient for a couple of years or so. The weakest point usually anyway, the chain, if you forget to oil it. And so I don't see any problem. I really like it. It has been working really good for me. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video. You can check it out and order one for you if you like. Would be also a really nice gift, I would say. I would consider this a really nice beginner's chainsaw. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this chainsaw, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.